Hi everyone. Welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps to clean up your C drive and free up space. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Delete temporary files. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Go to System, then Storage. Under Local Disk, C. Click on Temporary Files. Select the types of temporary files you want to delete. Click on Remove Files. After complete this process, this can free up a significant amount of space on your C drive. Step 2. Uninstall unnecessary apps. Go back to Settings and select Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and uninstall any programs you no longer use by clicking the three dots next to them and selecting Uninstall. You'll be surprised how much space old, unused apps can take up. Step 3. Use Storage Sense. Windows 11 has a handy feature called Storage Sense that can automatically free up space. In Settings, go to System Storage. Storage Sense can take care of a lot of the cleanup automatically, so it's a good idea to enable it. Step 4. Clean up system files. Now, let's clean up some system files using the Disk Cleanup tool. Press Windows +S and type Disk Cleanup, then select the tool. Choose C drive and click OK. Click on Clean Up System Files. Select the files you want to delete, like previous Windows installations and Windows Update Cleanup. Click OK and then delete files. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in your C drive's free space and overall system performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.